What's going on YouTube? July from JulyTheMarketer.com here, back again with another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you something really cool that I just learned, how you can actually track button clicks and how you can retarget people based on those button clicks. So I cannot wait to show you this. But before we actually get into that, definitely subscribe if you're new to the channel and hit that alert button if you haven't done so that you can know when I post a new video. I'm always posting new content pretty much daily, so I'm always doing different things in different areas, so you definitely want to know when I post a new video. Alright, so what I learned is a really cool way to track people based on the buttons that they click. So for example, if someone clicks a button on my landing page and I want to add them to a custom audience in Facebook using my pixel, I can do that. So I was searching through Funnel U, and Funnel U is basically a service that ClickFunnels offers, and they have additional add-ons, if you will, that you can pretty much use to spice up your landing pages or your sales pages, etc. And the code that I didn't even know existed until yesterday, it's called, so let me see if I can find it. It's called CFFB Fire Event, okay? It is a really cool thing, and they have a video here for you. So if you want to actually get Funnel U, it's closed right now, but if you go to the link down below, there shall be a waiting list that you can join, and I think on that waiting list you'll get different emails, and I think by the third email they have an option for you to actually purchase it. So although it's not actually available for you to buy right now, if you join the waiting list, wait a couple of days, you'll get the option to purchase. So definitely click the link down below if you want to join. Okay, so CFFB Fire Event. So basically what it allows you to do is essentially make sure that you can track what people are doing based on the buttons that they click. So let me show you how it works. So if you go into your ClickFunnels account and we edit a page, so I put a custom conversion on this particular button. So I want to know when some people on my pop-up, when some people click join the challenge, I want people to I want to know when people do that. Okay, so I installed this code. So in Funnel you get a code, and what you want to do is on your lander, go to settings, go to tracking code, and you're going to want to include that code inside the footer. So this code is provided by Jamie Smith from CF Pro Tools, but it's in Funnel U, so you can definitely get access to that. All right. So once you have that code, what you want to do is go to the button that you are looking to track, and you want to go to edit. You want to go to the get CSS info down below here, and you're going to name it a certain way. Okay, so the way you have to name it is the first three things that have to be, or the first, I guess, 5 things you have to do is you have to add CF-FB-fire dash whatever the name is. Okay, so if we go back into the code, Jamie actually provided some FB standard events, so you can see you can add to cart, lead, initiate checkout, view content, and literally you would just come in here, just copy this. If for example this is an add to cart, you would just come in here, copy, go back to the button, go to the CSS info, and then just do this. Okay, that's it. You would just paste the add to cart name here. Give it a second, and that's all you have to do, and it's named a specific way. You can see here it says the A is capital, the T is capital, the C is capital, so you have to make sure you name it a certain way. What I did though was I actually added a custom conversion. So this is actually a custom conversion in my Facebook ads manager, where I set up a custom event essentially. So let me show you that. Let me just pop up my business.facebook account, and I can show you what that looks like. So essentially what you want to do is go to your business manager. You want to go to custom conversions. And I'm actually in the wrong account, so let me go to the right one. Okay, so I have my different custom conversions here. And you can see here that the click join 5-day challenge hasn't really got any activity yet because obviously I haven't done anything. But that's, you would just come in here, click create custom conversion. You give it a name, so click blah blah blah, and then you set up the website traffic. So if it's going to be a lead, if it's going to be a view content, etc. Set mine to lead, and then you have to add the URL of that lead. So the way that I have it, if I can find it, you see the rule here. It says include lead events where URL equals mini challenge. Thank you. So they would have to go to that mini challenge page in order for them to actually become a lead. So once you do this, so I'm gonna test this out, and what I recommend doing is adding the Facebook Pixel helper, so that you can see like what's going on with your pixel as we're doing it. So I'm just gonna put in my name here, and I'm just gonna put in my testing email. And now you see that I'm in, and then you can see here that the pixel fired. So it says clicked, my pixel clicked join 5-day challenge has fired because I'm on this page. And I know they clicked that button. I know they landed here. So that means that they actually opted in, they became a lead, and we're good to go. So this is really, really powerful stuff. I never knew that this was a thing. So I'm really excited that I found this, because now I can use this possibly on a lot of different buttons that I have. If I have a sales page, I could do that like an add to cart or initiate checkout type of thing, so I can retarget based on that. Because as people go through this process, as people go through these custom conversions, this is data that we can use later down the line. Later down the line to retarget these people. So like if we know they clicked on a button, we know that they actually did that thing, we can run retargeting ads to them and say, hey, you know, you did this, but you didn't do this, right? And this is really, really cool. So I'm excited that this is something that we can use. I'm not too sure why this is saying low volume. I think it's because it just didn't update yet, but you get the idea. So definitely check out Funnel U. They have a lot of different codes in here. So a lot of them that I haven't even checked out or seen yet. So like I said, click the link down below. You can join the waiting list, and then I think in that email sequence, like a couple days, you'll get access to be able to use Funnel U. But yeah, there's a lot of different codes, and this one I'm really excited about. And pretty much every code comes with a video tutorial, so you'll be able to follow along Jamie, and he'll explain it to you. But I hope this made sense. This is really, really powerful stuff. So I wanted to make a quick video on this, see how you guys can use this for your benefit. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe and hit that alert button so you know when I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.